What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So the S5, it's been off the road now for about 2 months. Literally just sat on my driveway after we wrapped it, after we did the calipers, and I haven't used it. The MOT's expired and its battery's flat, so it's literally in an absolute state right now, sat feeling sorry for itself. So I want to bring it back. We've been told that we're allowed out on June 21st. So I've got from now, end of February, till then to sort this car out. Quite a lot needs to be sorted out. So we'll start with a wrap. So I wrapped this car myself. If you've seen those videos, they're down below somewhere. So let's have a look around. The wrap started to lift in a few places. So we're going to have to definitely fix that. The wheels need to be refurbed because they're looking battered and haggard. The battery's flat. There's condensation inside, which makes me think that there's a water leak, but we'll see. Let's jump in. So you've got the wrap coming up there, so that's just like fold cut, nothing. Little bit on the door here. I didn't even put the cover back on. Little bits down here, under here. Obviously, I'm not a professional. The front bumper needs to be replaced because it's broken. So I need a new front bumper, but I want to get the RS bumper, as I've said in previous videos about this car. Just walk around my hedge. The little bits, where else did I see? Here on there. It's coming up. Little bit under here. So this all needs to just be pushed in. See a little bit there. There. So the car is looking a bit tatty. That's the first issue, obviously. But at the moment the battery's dead, the MOT's expired, so let's get the battery pack out, get it on charge and get it started. So we've got a jumper pack on the car. Let's see if we can get her to come to life. Probably won't go. She's alive. That's the first problem sorted. So when I was wrapping the car, I wanted to run like a light wire around the interior. So I took off the door card, but now the MOT's expired. I just want to get the car back on the road and sorted, so I'm gonna not even bother trying to put the light wire in, just put that door back together. The boot is absolutely full of shit from wrapping it and shit, so I'm gonna get all that cleared out. Did I clip it? Must have clipped it. Well, I got everything cleaned out, sorted out, parked back up. So the question is what is next for the S5? So for this summer, I'm gonna run it like that. If I get some extra cash, I will order the new bumper. I want to order a splitter kit, a spoiler, diffuser. So there's loads left to do on that car. But right now, I am just starting a new series, 500 to 10,000 pound challenge. And I think all my time and effort is going to be going into that series. The BMW should be back from paint any day now. And then that will be going up for sale. So it's literally a case of enjoying this car as it is. I still haven't put the door card back on, which I'm going to have to do before the MOT because that side does not open at all. Excuse me. So I've got to put the door card back on, send it for MOT, and then what it fails on, we get done. So I still think this car is going to cost me a few £100 this year. Definitely, front tyres are getting low. So I want to buy some Michelin Pilot Sport 4s for all around. And there's an oil leak for sure. So that is going to cost me another few £100 because it ain't cheap taking apart a V8. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and this car will be on the channel more, but more in terms of going to shows, going out, having fun with it and enjoying the car. Like, subscribe for more on this and for more content flipping cars.